is it?
A kitty.
Is it a kitty?
Catch me if you can. I'm a kitty who likes to play. Chase me, break me, you'll have fun. Ready, steady, come on, let's run. Catch me if you can. Kitty cat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen.
Does that cat have an English accent?
It does.
Oh, you want the kitty. I want to get that kitty. Who wants this one? You want that kitty?
We can't play with it till I take it out. Yeah. This one. Ooh, you've been eyeing this one for a long time.
Book. That's right. And Bambi.
First word radio. Water. Wet. Water.
Can you dance?
Wet. Shoes. I love my shoes.
Can you dance?
They are red. They
Dance.
are new. I love my shoes. Shoes. Feet. Stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet.
Dance.
Feet. Boat. I play with my boat. It is blue.
There you go.
It is wet. I play with my boat. Boat.
Kitty.
So many toys.
What is that? Is it a train? No. It's a duck. Oh. Duck. Hat. I love my hat. It is black. It is white. I love my hat. Hat.
You want to open some with him?
Sure.